didn't even know I was recording. But welcome to day 5 of Dogmas, and I woke up from my sleep. From probably my 3 gifts I just got. So let's answer it. More hashtags. Diamonds. Hi. Mary sparkly dress. And bailing a double these gamer diamonds. Well, less than what we supposed to get. Wait. It's okay. I need help. Guys, I need help with pajamas for callmehhaley's giveaway. I need help. I need help with pajamas. So if you guys have anything in mind for this, please. Because I need help. Like, I'm literally confused. I like this. What's giving? Oh, okay. No one's gonna know. 18. Okay, this is a cute outfit for today. So let's start my morning at the office with. Hello, Poppy! Oh my gosh, Rainy Classic updated. I just forgot. Okay, sorry. Welcome back to the office. Say, be careful. Oh, we already got this one. I got a really good one last time. Dang. We're going to rate it this way. Like now. Please and thank you. Let's go. We need to see. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking cute. It should basically Snow Globe Summit. Oh my gosh, mystery swear. This is for me. No way, this is for me. Oh my god. I don't know how long this took. This took so long to update. Whoa. Outside is beautiful. Okay. And here's gorgeous. Oh my god. My school always outdoes itself with every single decoration. Oh. Alright. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna go get a snack from the bar. Oh, and I'm so sorry. I filmed the video of Adopt Me Day 4 yesterday, but I didn't finish it, so I'm so sorry. Where should we go now? Wait, we think we'll shut the fountain. That's what we can do. So and then we probably will end the video off here. I have to wear fountain and wait. So I was doing a quest, sorry. There's one quest. Make a way, and we're gonna read it. I skipped through it. I have the chart next to me. I have to open it. Like all the time. Why? You head back to your dream after pushing. Okay, but which one do you guys think it is? Cozy plush hat, fuzzy snuggly blanket, sparkly blue gloves. Yeah, we're doing the right one. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Nothing. You guys didn't see anything. Anyway. Anyway, hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I love you guys seeing me in that video, and I love you so much. Bye, squad. And